What if you could send one simple message from your phone and turn your idea into almost any visual you can imagine? Talking AI videos, realistic 4K images, cinematic clips, AI fashion showcases, fantasy worlds, movie posters, AI avatars, product promo videos, viral reels, and hundreds more. Even ready-to-sell visual assets, all from one simple Telegram message. No complicated software, no design skills, no hours of editing. Just tell VisualSpark what you want and watch it come to life. Until now, creating professional visuals meant jumping between different AI tools, one for images, one for videos, one for transformations, one for talking avatars, different platforms, different interfaces, different subscriptions, and every time a new AI model comes out, another tool to learn. But today, there's a simpler way. Visuals are the lifeblood of every online business. Good words can convince, but attention-grabbing visuals actually sell. Because the goal isn't just to create another visual, it's to create something people stop and look at. Introducing VisualSpark AI, the all-in-one AI visual creation studio that turns one simple command into finished, ready-to-use visuals. Now, imagine you need a product creative, a cinematic video, a talking character, a social media visual, or an entirely new visual concept. You simply tell VisualSpark what you want. Create a cinematic product video for a luxury perfume brand. And just like that, your visual is ready. Turn a photo into a new scene. Turn a photo into a talking video. Turn reality into anime. Turn an image into cinematic motion. Put a character into a completely new world. Ordinary becomes attention-grabbing. But there's more which makes VisualSpark even more powerful. You get access to 100+ AI models and versions, all in one place. Google VEO, Google Omni, Flux, DALL-E, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, Nano Banana, Seedance, Imagen, Kling, Runway, and many more. Plus 70+ visual use cases and styles, so you're not locked into one look, one model, or one way of creating. You simply choose what you want to create, and VisualSpark gives you the tools to bring your imagination to life. And you don't even need to sit at your computer every time. When you're on the go, simply send one Telegram message from your phone. Describe what you want, and VisualSpark creates it for you. One message, one idea, one finished visual. And it couldn't be simpler. Step 1. Enter your idea. Use the app or send one simple Telegram message. Step 2. AI creates it. VisualSpark uses the right AI model to generate your visual. Step 3. Download, use, and sell. Use it, share it, publish it, or sell it to clients. This is where things get really interesting. Businesses already pay for social content, product creatives, ads, e-commerce visuals, branding, thumbnails, promotional content. Now you can create those visuals yourself in minutes. Create for yourself. Create for clients. Create to sell. So the only question is, will you keep jumping between different AI tools and subscriptions? Or will you bring your entire visual creation workflow into one powerful studio? VisualSpark AI. One command, one studio. Endless visual possibilities. For a limited time, you can get VisualSpark AI at a one-time low price with no monthly fees or hidden costs. Pay once and enjoy lifetime access. And to make this a complete no-brainer, you're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. Try VisualSpark AI risk-free, and if you're not blown away, you get every penny back. Plus, when you grab your copy today, you'll unlock exclusive bonuses worth over $2,000, 100% free. but only if you act now. The future of visual content is here. The opportunity is now. And the next success story could be you. Get VisualSpark AI today and start creating.